Why is every company hiring AI engineers right now? The numbers tell the story. Over 670 open AI engineering positions. Right now, across every major tech company. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, is hiring across research, engineering, and product. OpenAI is scaling faster than ever. Google DeepMind is expanding their teams. Meta is investing billions in AI infrastructure. And it's not just big tech startups, enterprises, healthcare companies, financial institutions. Everyone needs AI talent. The average salary for an AI engineer? $200,000. Senior roles at top companies? $300,000 to $400,000. Some principal-level positions exceed $500K with equity. Why so high? Because demand is crushing supply. Universities can't graduate AI specialists fast enough. The skills gap is enormous. But here's what most people miss. You don't need a PhD in machine learning to work in AI. The fastest-growing roles are in AI integration, taking existing AI models and building products with them. That's software engineering plus prompt engineering plus product thinking. And those are skills you can learn in months, not years. The AI economy is the biggest hiring boom since the early internet. The companies are ready. The jobs are waiting. The question is, are you ready? More at End of Coding.